So guys, now we are going to get to a remote system using a Ninja Join. So what is a Ninja Join? So Ninja Joining to get access a remote system. However, there is does not seems to be a well-known tool or a framework with a name like Ninja Joining. So these tools like uh, used for a penetration testing or cybersecurity, it is possible to might be referring as misname a tool we can call like a rat. So it is like a remote system. So it's a misname as so it's work like only as a remote access control, remote access tool. So it have a reverse shells or any a legitimate tools. So first we would like to look this and how to identify. So I would like to utilize in this case scenario as a Windows 10 operating system in this case. So I would like to utilize a Windows operating system. One is with this. Now another one is I would like to utilize a Windows operating system 2019. So I already here have a Ninja Join. Now, I would like to utilize, so first of all, we would like to extract all here. So you just extract this, which we was extracted. Now we would like to extract this also. And we just extracted this. So first we would like to close this. Now we would like to look here as joining. In this case, we would like to look in the config. In this case, so we just type open. So here it's ports. There is no any type of targeted IP address here to connect this one. Now let me close this one. Now let's come back. Now in this case, now we would like to look in the Ninja. So in this case, so you just click on config. So here in the host, you just need to enter your targeted IP address. So you just enter your machine 192.168.18.a75. So my targeted IP address is ipconfig. So this is my targeted IP address. So I just close this. Then I just save this. You just write file. You just click on save. That's it. You just close this. Now we just uh, came back here. So this is as save. Now let's come back here. Come back. Now I would like to where is this? Compress a zip folder. So we can get a more confusion in things here. So I just need to delete this. So I just need to delete. Now let me I just need to send to a compressed zip folder. In the name I just type here as I I would like to look as hacking tools. Now I just need to put this hacking tool into with the sharing with some other things. So I would like to look as a file share, file upload, and share files in secure sharing. So I just look this. So it shows a drag and drop. So I just drag and drop this. So it was uploading. So let it upload this one. Once it was uploaded, then we try to go further here. So it may take a little bit more time. So it need to upload into their server first. File sharing, we transfer file transfer.io. So we would like to look this. We have fast and simple. So this one is a little bit good. Let me just try. Uh, Here also you're almost on the. Uh, so this is very fast compared to this one. It's still not even coming, so I don't want to upload here. Now let's see what else we can get here. So I just click on this a share button. I just copy this link. Now I would like to go to my Windows 10. In this case, I just come back here. Let me paste this. So here he also get a little bit something. Now you just click on this a download. So you just receive here a download. Then we can see here we have get downloaded here. So I just need to close this. Then click on this. Uh, so I just need to get this one into the desktop. Now let me close this. Now extract here to and hacking tools. Now we have seen here as Ninja version 2.1 everything. Now this is no have here. Yes, it's came. Now once we have got it this, first of all we just need to run the Jonian. Then we just need to come back to here. So we just minimize this, come back to a Jonian. We just type to run this. Now it's came here. Press any key to continue. Now Jonian is listening on the port is 3707. Now we must send it to our victim file XYZ things. Everything is happened which is taken over there. Now we would like to run now a ninja, like it's like a Tom and Jerry, it's like hide and seek games this one. Now we just type run this. It also came similar thing. So we just look press any key to enter. Now you can look here, access is denied, etc. things. Now go back to your attacker machine. Now look here your attacker machine. So command not recognized. So just type list. You have connected with a targeted version, whereas one connection is listed here. Now, which is that one is not displayed. Now, we just type here as we just need to connect one. So just type here as a connect one. So connected to number one. Now let's you just type here as what else you just type. Just type anything like you just what we would like to type here as you just type enter type. Then I just put here as a CMD command not recognized. No, you just type here as again. So we just change again like first of all I just type put here as a change enter type here as a CMD. I have got it here as CMD. Now just type here as ifconfig. I got my targeted IP address is 192.168.18.127. Now I would like to show you here. uh, Now I would like to look here as CMD. In this case, I just type here as IP config. You just look here as 192.168.18.127, where you have get your target IP address. Now let's come back here. You just type here as who am I? You got it here as Windows with administrator. Now the same results. You can get here as who am I with the same 1VR8R. So you just look here 1V8R 64-bit operating systems. Now just type here anything else like help. You can get a lot of helps here. So this concludes the demonstration of how to gain access to a remote system using a Ninja Jonin. That's it.